Stay secure while banking online with this quick guide to setting up your Nationwide card reader. First things first, unbox your Nationwide card reader. Check you have the reader itself, any accompanying setup or instruction documents, and potentially a USB cable if your reader connects via USB. If you have everything, great. Next, head over to the Nationwide website and log into your online banking account. Find the page where they outline card reader setup. This should be clearly labeled with instructions and guidance for first-time users. Now it's time to connect the card reader. If it uses a USB connection, carefully plug it into a USB port on your computer. If it uses an alternative connection type, follow the instructions provided with your card reader for successful setup, which also might require the installation of drivers. Once the reader is connected and the website has correctly recognized it, you'll be guided through the process. Typically, you'll be prompted to insert your debit card into the reader. The reader will request verification information. You then enter the code displayed on the card reader screen into the corresponding field of your online banking transaction. This acts like a second layer of security. Follow any remaining prompts on the website. Once you complete the steps, your card reader is set up. The next time you log in or make a transaction, you will once again be asked to use the card reader to verify and authorize access. If you're running into any issues during setup, double-check all the connections and ensure you followed those installation instructions. Look for troubleshooting steps provided by Nationwide. If the issue persists with your card reader, you can have peace of mind when banking online and keep your account secure.